If you're thinking about setting up a trust in Dubai, in this video, we are going to cover the top 5 misconceptions people have about trust. So I'll walk you through the most common misunderstandings about Dubai Trust, especially in the DIFC and ADGM, so you can make the right choice with confidence. Before we start, my name is Shiraz Baid and I'm the founder at Lepidus Wealth, where we help clients and families protect their assets using a range of tools, including trust, foundations, wills, and offshore structures. So if you own a business or real estate, don't wait until a legal or health crisis to start thinking about protecting what you have built. Instead, request your free and customized asset protection plan by clicking the link below. You can then implement it step by step as your journey progresses. With that being said, let's get into the first misconception. The first misconception is that trusts are only for the ultra wealthy people. And this is not true. Trusts are definitely used by high net worth families, but they're not just for billionaires. In Dubai, more and more entrepreneurs, business owners, and even expats with modest estates are using DIFC and ADGM Trust for estate planning, asset protection, and succession planning. If you own a business, property, or even plan to pass on wealth to your children, a trust could be right for you. It's not about how much money you have, it's about how you want to protect it. The second misconception is that trust and UAE are not recognized internationally. This is a common worry, especially coming from common law countries such as UK, Canada, or Australia. But the truth is that both DIFC and ADGM follows English common law. Their trust laws are based on international standards and they're recognized by legal professionals, banks, and courts around the world. Many international families now prefer to use UAE Trust because they offer strong privacy, excellent legal protection, and a zero tax environment. The third misconception is that you have to give up control of your assets. A lot of people think that when they set up a trust, they lose all the control. That's not the case in the UAE. In both DIFC and ADGM, you can design your trust to give you a high level of control depending on the goals. For example, you can appoint yourself as a protector or include clear instructions in the trust deed about how the assets should be managed. While the trustee holds legal title, your wishes as the settler can still guide the process. It's all about structuring the trust the right way. The fourth misconception that I see is that trusts are only for people living in Dubai. Well, you don't have to live in Dubai to set up a trust here. In fact, many of our clients live abroad. They choose the UAE trust because of the strong asset protection, no income tax, and international nature of DIFC and ADGM. As long as the trustee is licensed and based in the financial free zone, you can use a Dubai trust no matter where you live. This is one of the reasons why Dubai has become a top global destination for trust structures. The fifth misconception is that setting up a trust in Dubai is complicated and expensive. Well, it doesn't have to be. While there are some legal steps and regulatory requirements, setting up a trust in DIFC is actually more streamlined than many other jurisdictions. You do need to work with a licensed trustee and follow proper procedures, but with professional support, it can be done quickly and efficiently. So, trusts in Dubai are not only for the rich, they are internationally recognized and you don't lose control. You don't have to live in Dubai, and if you're done right, it's not complicated or overpriced. As I mentioned earlier, if you own a business or real estate, don't wait for legal or health crisis to start thinking about protecting your wealth. Many people think asset protection is only for ultra wealthy. But the reality is that some of these solutions cost as much as setting up a free zone company in Dubai. If you want to secure what you have built and ensure your legacy, you can request your free and customized asset protection plan by clicking the link in the description below. And if you're serious about building long-term financial security, you should really check out my next video right here.